Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Carlos in Texas on the Ranger RCI 99N4. Carlos got it ready to go for you, bud. The full Truckerized tune. With my standard tune alignment and a voltage regulator upgrade, we end up around 500 watts. When you pick the Truckerized package, that gets you also the electrolytic cap upgrades, wideband transmit and receive, some other power mods. You'll get an additional microphone. Got the clarifier unlocked, it's ready to go. Alright Carlos, just get right to it. I'm going to start with RF power all the way down. 500 watt slug. You have to set about 25 watts just in case you decide to run an amp. You got full adjustability. 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, hello, hello. At 210 bird average. 1000 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, 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 600 PEP. So we gained almost about 100 watts with the addition of the Truckerized package tune. So from 25 watt slug, let's take a look at it there. Hello, 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 hello. Still 600 watts. All right, Carlos, it's ready to come to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. Appreciate your patience. All orders are built in which the order they are received. Your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.